Your video got deleted on Instagram? Why is that? Hey guys, my name is Arya, I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. This video have 4 parts. Part 1. Copyright in Instagram. No matter how much you edit your music for your videos, Instagram delete them. Simply because you use the wrong music. The music you use has copyright. Then Instagram asks you if you have a permission from the artist, okay, you can keep your video. But if you don't, you have to delete the video. If you delete the video, it's okay. If you say, okay, yes, I have a permission, but actually you don't have the permission, you're in risk of losing your Instagram forever. Part 2. Copyright on YouTube. If the artist or even YouTube finds out, YouTube get you a strike. And after 3 strikes, you will lose your channel. But in some cases, only after 1 strike, people lose their channel as well. And if your channel is monetized, you lose that too. And YouTube forces you to change the music or even delete your video. Part 3. The problems. Let's say you made a epic B-roll with a really good music and then you got strike for the copyright. You have to change the music and you even design your video based on that music. You edit the video based on that music. Then you change the music. You have to re-edit the whole thing. Maybe you don't have access to the project, so you lose your video for yourself. And even worse, you made a video for your client, and if the music have a copyright problem, so I think it is safe to say you have to pay attention to the copyright law. Which brings us to the part 4, the solution. If you don't have a YouTube channel, create one. Go to your YouTube studio and then on audio library. There are many musics and sound effects. You can even search the music based on genre, mood, instruments, and you can easily find the good music for your content. And the interesting part is these music don't have any problem in YouTube and Instagram. So there you have it. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all next time.